Subscribe to Rock and Girls and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Hey guys, I'm Ankita and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna doing this makeup look right here, which is no makeup look. This is perfect for everyday uses, your office party or any conference. If you wanna look neat and polished but not over the top, then this look is perfect for you. So yeah, let's move on to the video. Moisturize my face and lips previously, so I'm gonna start with primer. This is winter season, so mind it, moisturization is very important. Here I am using my Blue Heaven primer. So the next step is foundation. I am using my Nykaa Skingenious foundation. Coverage wise, it is medium coverage foundation which looks natural. For today's look, I am just wanna contour my nose little bit. That's why I am using my brown lip liner pencil as a contour. Set my foundation using Maybelline Compact. Next, I set my brows using Wet n Wild single eyeshadow. This is in the shade Panther. At first I apply the color using an angle brush, then smudge it properly so that it looks natural. For my eye makeup, I only use mascara, which I love to use. For my lips, I'm gonna use two different shades of lipsticks to make my lips nude. The first one is from Wet n Wild liquid lipsticks, which is in the shade Give Me Mocha, and it is nude for medium to darker skin tone, but for me this is slightly deeper than nude. So to make it nude, I am using the Blue Heaven non-transfer color, which is in the shade Nude Lips, and let it dry. Finally, dab my foundation beauty blender all over my lips to make it more nude. Using setting spray to set everything on place. So guys, different people have different opinion about this look, but it is my version of no makeup look. Now you guys decide, is it no makeup look or makeup no makeup look, and let me know in the comment section. So if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.